everyone, it's Kirsten and welcome back to my garage. In today's video we're going to be making another panel for the International bonnet. This part here is cut from here and really it's just this here one hole, but if you actually look at this part, she's seen better days. And on the other side, this is actually what holds the bonnet on. But if you can't tell, my dad has definitely been at this. Yeah, so we're gonna have to recreate this at some stage. I think he just put 2 nuts on it and a bolt. I don't know, I'll talk to him when it comes to that stage. But first things first, I'm gonna try to create this. I did try to create it off camera. Got a really nice flange in this side, but when it came to actually doing this little indentation bit, it was a pain in the hole, and the bead roller actually ended up cutting through it. So, luckily for you guys, it did do that, because that means I have to redo it all, so you can see how I done it. So, first things first, as always, making a template, favourite tape, 3M, 3434 tape, mark it all up, pen, ruler if need be, cut it out, clean the material, stick it on, cut it out, and we'll start forming it. So let's go. So that's the template now on the sheet of metal and all the excess material taken off. So now I just need a mark on the other side so I can actually bead roll this little like indent on this side, and then also just mark out this line, because the bead roller actually you have to do it from this side. So let's do that. This one's actually a very weird shape to do because it kind of like comes together at the end, so I don't know if this is actually going to work, but let's go set up the bead roller and see what we can do. You can see it better on that side. Beautiful. Ta-da! la. Magical. Right, now we're gonna okay, well that looks so much better. Obviously my finger's in the way. Ooh la la. 4. Ooh la la.